What if I told you you could grow an entire garden without a single scoop of soil? No mud, no weeds, no back pain, and your plants grow faster. Sounds like a sci-fi experiment, right? Well, it's not. It's called hydroponics. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to do it, even if you've never grown a single plant in your life. Stick around till the end because the secret behind why hydroponics actually works better than soil might just blow your mind. So, hydroponics, what is it? Think of it as gardening on easy mode. Instead of dirt, your plants grow in water that's packed with nutrients, kind of like an all-you-can-eat buffet for roots. No digging, no weeding, no oops, I overwatered it disasters. Just pure, efficient plant growth. Basically, your plants are chilling in a nutrient spa while soil gardeners are out there sweating in the sun. Here's the best part, hydroponic. Plants grow up to 50% faster than traditional ones because they get everything they need directly to the roots. It's like feeding them an IV of plant vitamins. Plus, you can grow indoors, on a balcony, or even in your bedroom if you want to wake up next to lettuce, which, I admit, is both weird and wonderful. You save water. 2. Up to 90% less than soil gardening. That's good news for your wallet and the planet. All right, let's get practical. Here's your hydroponic starter pack. Don't worry, no degree in rocket science required. 1. Container or reservoir. This holds your nutrient water. A bucket, storage bin, or even an old fish tank works fine. 2. Growing medium. Since there's no soil, you'll need something like cocoa coir perlite or clay pebbles to support your plants. 3. Nutrient solution. Think of it as plant Gatorade, full of the nitrogen, potassium, and calcium your greens crave. 4. Air pump and air stone. To keep the water oxygenated so roots can breathe. 5. Net pots or cups. These hold your plants in place above the nutrient bath. 6. LED grow lights. Optional. Perfect for indoor growing or if your plants can't get enough sunlight. And don't worry, you don't need to remortgage your house for this. You can set up a simple system for under $50 if you get creative. Here's how to build your first hydroponic system, the deep water culture setup. Fancy name, simple method. Steps. 1. Fill your container with water and mix in the nutrient. Solution. 2. Cut holes in the lid to fit your net. Cups. 3. Place your seedlings in the cups with some clay pebbles. 4. Add your air pump and air stone to oxygenate the water. 5. Turn it on, and boom, you're officially a hydroponic gardener. In a few days, you'll start seeing roots dangle into the water. And before you know it, you'll be harvesting your first lettuce or basil, fresh, clean, and pesticide-free. Remember what I said at the start? That secret behind why hydroponics works better than soil? It's all about control. In soil, nutrients are scattered. In hydroponics, you're giving plants exactly what they want, when they want it. No guesswork. You become the boss of their growth. So yes, that sci-fi garden idea, it's real, it's doable, and it might just make you feel like a plant wizard. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button so YouTube knows you're a future hydroponic master. Share this with your garden-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool and green projects like this. Thanks for watching. Now go grow something amazing.